Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriental Medicine. I will give you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy. Today's topic is do this if you have burnout. Doing meditation is highly recommended in the middle of your stressful life. It is even a fascinating topic in big tech companies for their employees. I think the workload is overwhelming there. Meditation can help you feel less stress, but can't get rid of it if you especially burn out. So meditation can help you reduce stress, which is great, but it cannot get rid of if you are burned out. When you overwork for a long time, your body and mind can't stay in peace, resulting in stress, fatigue, depression, and even anger. If you realize that you are burned out, then you must help yourself first by working less. This can be difficult to do if your employer demands just too much and can negotiate with you. If so, take a few weeks off work to recover. Remember that you are not a machine. Even a machine breaks down when it runs recklessly. So if you are burned out, you must work less or take a vacation. Last resolution is to look for a new job. There are tons of jobs waiting for you, and you don't have to do one job for the rest of your life. You are more valuable than any job out there. If you are still burned out after taking a vacation, after working less, then you have to get a new job. Sometimes money doesn't matter. Stay in peace, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.